Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X5 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can screen record on this phone. So anyway, let's get started by pulling down our notifications and expanding it and looking for the toggle for screen recorder, which for me is on the second page, third toggle. Now this is the default orientation of all the toggles, so I assume you can probably find this toggle in the same exact location on your phone. So from here, once you locate the toggle, hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the device actually records the screen. So probably the most important one would be, let's just actually scroll down. That's kind of weird. Unless it refers to picture right here as a recording. I would assume that it is because it has megabits per second. So yeah. So anyway, that's probably one of the things that I really recommend changing from 720p, which seems to be the default, to 1080p. This will give a much sharper image compared to the 720p, which will be pixelated on majority of like the typical computer screens and even phones, to be honest. So this is one of those things that I recommend changing. Then we also have frame rate. It is set to be dynamic. I would probably change it to 60. If you're planning to strictly record things like gameplays, 60 will be great. For informative videos like I would be recording right now, if I would be recording just a screen, I would most likely stick with the 30 frames, which will consume less storage on my phone, give a little bit of a worse kind of quality of recording. It would just be a little bit more choppy. Not exactly sure how to explain it otherwise. So yeah, 60 will look much nicer, like smoother, while 30 will just consume less space. So anyway, once you went through the settings right here, customize everything that you want to your liking, and close this, go back to the toggle, tap on it, continue, agree, allow anything that it needs. And as you can see, the first time around it gives us an overlay right here, so tap to record. Then we have the settings and the close button. So I'm gonna just close this and start recording by tapping on the button. And it looks like, I believe it records microphone as well right now, so that's one thing. But anyway, whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. So if you open up some kind of application or do anything, it will be recorded. And once you're done, you can just tap on this little thing, select the square, and this will save the recording. Now before I actually go in there, I'm gonna mute the device just so I don't hear myself if it recorded my voice. And let's navigate into our Photos application. Oh, there we go. And as you can see, it is right over here as the latest recording. And it is right now playing. So there we go. That is how you can record your screen on this phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.